What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I've got a killer back workout for you all. I've already drank my pre-workout. I mixed it when I first got here. I've got a half scoop of the hydraulic and the BCAAs ready to go. It's currently hammering right now, if you can't notice. It's been snowing for probably the past hour. We're gonna go in here, probably spend a little bit more time warming up being as it's freezing outside. If you guys are ready, let's get it. What you know about it? I'm gonna start with some one-arm pull downs. I like to do I've been getting bad about these on back days. I used to do them all the time. I like to usually start with unilateral work, even whenever I'm doing like back, chest. It's really the purpose is that it's just to even out all the imbalances, get every muscle fiber firing on both sides. That's really why I do it. I like to have a good even pull. Like, you want to have a slight arch. You don't want to arch too much because that'll put tension on your lower back and parts of your back you don't want to have it. I'll have a slight arch, and you want to basically pull this elbow straight down to this hip bone. So it's almost like an arc. The way that your lat pulls down is my elbow will kind of sway forward, and I'll pull back and down. And I do this on both sides to kind of even out my back, get the blood pumped in both sides, both lats. That way I can set myself up for an even pull whenever I do my compound work throughout the workout. So yeah, we're gonna do about 2 to 3 sets with these to get warm. All right. These, I'm thinking, I'm really trying to build like the bottom part of my traps in the middle. Like I want to have that back thickness. So I think with these, I'm thinking about doing some like stretch like short reps for my scapula, my mid traps. I want to see how they feel first. Those feel pretty good. You notice I'm using a lightweight. Because of these, a lot of people don't understand. That's probably like the hardest thing to really connect with is my traps. So being as they're not really that developed or that big, that feels heavy to me. Like that hurts. It's only 37 pounds, but it hurts. This hits like that teres major and that upper part of your lat too. Just so you all can see a visual of what I'm talking about. So right here, this part is your scapula. These muscles right here are your traps. They run down into your lat, underneath your shoulder blade. Your teres majors, this muscle, big muscle behind your shoulder. This is really hitting this upper part of our lat right here. Chase has really got that engaged right now. We're trying to really focus on these lower traps, pulling that scapula down and together. Yeah. So upping the weight now, reason for that being, now we're gonna do some actual pull downs. I'll probably go for about 3 sets of 12, somewhere around there. Now that we've got blood in the middle back, the lats, everything, now we can actually start doing, taking advantage of the full movement now that we've got everything fired and ready to go. So yeah, we hit 3 sets, 12 of these. What we're doing is an incline cable row, single arm. The reason why I'm using this is just for back development purposes only. I get a lot, and you'll probably find it too, you'll get a lot better contraction in your back if you take your hand out of the movement. Now I know a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people don't like that when you use straps or, you know, use anything that compromises your grip strength, but I believe it's crucial to utilize stuff like this in workouts, because this right here could put you over the hump. Like certain parts of your back that you've never connected with, using something like this will really help. Take your hand out of the movement. That way, the weight is all in your wrists. You can literally just pull from there, right there. So it feels way better. Give it a try. Now these are killer, man. You get a contraction in your back you really never even felt before. And when you're doing these, make sure you offset the bench on whichever side you're doing. If you're on the left side, you want the bench to be kind of offset to the right. That way the line of pull is straight.
How you feeling this workout?
Not too bad. This left lat's kind of pissing me off, but that's why after that last set I did like an extra little thing. I have a hard time connecting with my left lat sometimes. But like today is one of those days that's focused just solely on that purpose. Like I have days I come in here just to work out imbalances, like weak points. It's more of like a development kind of day. I'm not moving a ton of weight. It's a lot of accessory work. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so now we've got a superset with a cable row. These are going to be more upper back focused. It's kind of what my focus is today, is my traps and rhomboids. We're going to superset it with just a rope. I'll probably do 3 sets of both, somewhere in a higher volume, 12-15 rep range. Like I said, with these, our focus is the mid traps, rhomboids, and upper back. So you're gonna row towards your chest.
Yes, sir.
But he's a big man. It looks good on him still. Well, he's a big ass tall shit. 24 inches. Oh yeah.
Get that stretch. Look at the grip. Contraction. Lights it up.
Definitely feeling it. Definitely feeling it.
What's the tip on these?
Just keeping your arms fixed. Just like any kind of pull over, pull down, you're really wanting to pull your elbows down and back towards your waistline. You don't want to have any movement out of your elbows. Your arms should be just fixed the whole way. Should be stretching your lats. You come down and contract. 12-15 reps.
Yes, sir.
But it is. The band that's around the, like there's the temple part around the band, around my legs, it hurts. I can't clean it up. I leave it too much.
Next too big.
Stretch it out.
You're like 3 to 4, 12-15 reps. And slow everything down if you have to. If you're not feeling a certain muscle or a certain movement, you're not doing it right. That's why I slow everything down. Really focus on the stretch, getting your mind in the muscle and just feeling it up with blood and contracting.
I had it over and look out the window and see. It's snowing so hard. I was coming down here sugar mill. And don't park on it. It took me 2 days. It is what it's hard. Yeah. I was like, not sure ever hold for me.
Get that stretch.
Pull-ups, assisted pull-ups, great for back development. Probably one of the most underrated things. I give a lot of credit to pull-ups as far as my back my back development. You really don't have an excuse on why you can't do them. Like even if you can't do like real pull-ups, you can use an assisted machine. If you don't have one of these, you can use bands. Like anchor a band to a pull-up bar, put your feet in it, pull yourself up. They're really underrated. I use them. I really like to use them. beginning of the workout. It's kind of like my warm-up. Usually these are, but they're a great way to finish your back off too. It's a great way to finish everything we've already hit, the upper back, the lats, everything. Squeeze everything on every rep. We'll probably do about 3 sets, 15, 12, 15, somewhere around there. And that'll finish up the back workout. All right guys, if you made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you. He just yelled. Blizzard right now. This is a lot for Kentucky. A lot of snow. Anyway, if you made it this far into the video, thank you. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys want to shop off Axe and Sledge Supplements, use my code Z410 for 10% off. With that being said, keep working, keep growing, and I'll see you all soon.